Welcome to Everything Cloud. In the last video, we have learned how to clone your GitHub repository in your local machine. In this video, and there we have learned how to use the command line tools such as git commit, git add, git push, or how to configure your identity in a global. And last we have seen how to remove the file. So in this video we will use a new terminology, pooling. If you are not aware about the different terminology of GitHub, you can see the third video of this series where I have explained about the terminologies. I'll leave the link in the description so you can see. So let's start pooling. So go to your command line, type git pull. So once you have done with the pulling, give origin, because we are pulling the original files. So our file is up to date. Now let's create the branching. This is also very important point, how to create branching and how to work with the branching. So this is the guidance which are given by the GitHub. So I'll provide the link URL in the description so you can go through that, but this is very simple. I can explain very easily. So let me go by line by line. So first, when you create a project, you are going to have bunch of different feature or idea in a program progress at any given time. Means if you have a project and you have a multiple of member for that project, you have connected many people who are working with the same project, so it will be difficult to work everyone with the master files. To manage that, we will create branches for the each one, so they can use the branches and they can work with their ideas. So when you create a branches your project, you are creating an environment. So in branch also it will be the same environment as your master have. Then where you can try out the new idea, change you make in a branch don't affect the master branch. So that is very beneficial. So next, let's see how to create branch. To create a branches, click at branch, give the name my demo branch or demo or my demo you can give, then hit enter. Once you have done with this, your branch will be created. Okay, so now let's check how to work with this branch. So before starting working in this branch, you have to log in this branch. So we can do by git checkout. We can give git fetch. So it will be git in place of get, we'll have to add git fetch. So it will be show a new branch. So your new branch has been created. So you can see my demo is the new branch. So I have to check in this branch. So get checkout, name of the branch, what is that? My demo. Okay, it allow to switch in, this command will allow to switch in this new branch. So switch of new branch in my demo, you can see it is written here. So now let's see how to add file in this branch. So to adding, we have seen in the previous video, we have to add a new file in a branch. We have to go create file, add file, commit file, then push that file in the repository. So let's start with the creating one file dot test, or you can file test dot txt. So In Windows I can use Notepad, and in Linux you can use Win or some other editor which are have in your machine. So then click next. It will open Notepad. Type something. This is test file and save it. Save. Close it. Now same. We have to add git add all. So it will start adding. Next git commit m, give the description, new file. The description should be clear so it other people can understood what is the change you have done. So this is demo, so I am just giving a short description. Next we have to push this file to the repository. For that git push, so we can give push, it will be start pushing. So our file has been pushed in our demo, so we can see. So new text file has been updated here. So this is the end of this video. Next video we will learn how to merge different files, and how to, whatever the problem, whatever the conflicts comes during the merging, how we will resolve that. So that will be very interesting, and we will go lots more about that, because if I continue in this video it will be take around another 15 minutes. So I am stopping this video. Next image. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can text me in your comments, or you can text me at everythingclo. Please share your support by subscribing, like it and share it. Thank you and keep learning.